guitars. Let's go build some junk. Not a lot left to get this neck done. This is darker than I had in mind, so I think we're probably going to sand back and redo again, see if I can do just a little lighter. Not necessarily lighter, but a little brighter, if that makes sense. But in the meantime, we do need to get the tuners drilled and fitted. And then the only thing left is to trim the butt, and then we can actually cut the pocket. And then, you know, start doing everything else on the body. So, baby steps. One thing at a time. I do love these hip shots. It's so lightweight. Awesome. Now somewhere I have a record of what I usually use for these, but I don't know. Rubber meets the road. Always just do a quick test hole. This is always a nervous moment for me. I did a test hole in some ash with 25/64 bit, which seemed to fit pretty nice. And I was thinking about starting with a spade bit and then switching to a ever so slightly larger, because 3/8, they don't make spade bits in stupid, you know, 64ths. But I did a test hole with this 3/8 spade bit, and it fit pretty nice too. So we're just going to go with the spade bit. This way we can go in both sides and hopefully have a nice clean hole on each side, since we've already thicknessed. So yeah, again, I am not excited. I have already checked, and we are about as level as you can possibly be. We're a little wobbly there, but where it feels natural is pretty close to. So here we go. Now I gotta figure out how we're gonna set the angle. So, I'll be back. So, okay, we're good. It's not easy to feel when you go through, I mean, you know, break on through to the other side. Don't know that we could have had better results. But now we gotta make sure they fit. Perfection. Well now, I think we're at a point where we can cut the butt. Then we're cooking with gas. I already marked lines, I don't know, 1/16 in? Nah, it's more like an 1/8 of an inch in under the fretboard, and it's an arbitrary measurement. So we have a line to cut down to the fretboard. So I guess it's time to do that. I couldn't help to have a little bit of a vertical guide, at least to get us started. This one will let us go. Honestly, at this stage, I'm gonna have to do something a little goofy, I think. Just temporarily down a little here. Just because. Just need to get deep enough for a curve. What's the point of that? This. Now we can clean that up with a chisel. doesn't look quite as clean as I wish it did. It'll be alright. Thanks for swinging by. It means the world to me that people actually watch and find some value in my goofy shenanigans. If you're one of those people, then do me a favor and like the video and subscribe so you can catch the, future junk coming up. So we always got stuff to do. So meet me back here next time. Bye.